welcome to our new listing. I was having such a fantasy today. I drove downtown and I pressed my little fob and it opened the gate of the garage and I drove in and parked in my client's spot and came up the elevator and I was really like, oh, I can't wait to live downtown. I'm seeing a show tonight downtown, so it was just so fabulous to just be right here. And I love this building so much. I've been doing this for 20 years. This is one of my absolute favorite concierge desks. They are helpful and kind and knowledgeable and accommodating. 24-hour concierge, rooftop deck facing the Puget Sound, a gorgeous view, herb garden upstairs, big gym and spa with a hot tub and dog walking places, and it's a wonderful building. This unit is almost 900 square feet, one bedroom. It has a huge 3/4 bath in the primary and a half bath. So you've got 1.5 baths. And we're facing southeast with really cool views. We've got bamboo floors, upgraded kitchens, all this kind of stuff. So let me show you around. So you have lovely views. This is facing east and south. And you see this very cool slider that slides open or close to your bedroom. And you actually have a little peekaboo view of the Puget Sound outside. So you can come out and see the water and sit out here on a nice day. There's a gas fireplace and gas cooking. Just a lovely, large bedroom. Look at this bathroom. Enviable. This unit was actually owned by the person who was the first sales agent here at the Cristalla. So instead of a bathtub, he did these full cabinets for storage. There's a walk-in closet back there, double vanities. It's just so much nice light and large kitchen island, another great wall of built-ins. And this actually has a little office nook too, because you've got that square footage. This is your laundry closet and that's your half bath here. So I'll say goodbye to you outside on this deck and come by one of our open houses. We just listed, just on the market, and it's just a really nice place to be. We're happy to do a private showing if you can't make one of our open houses, and come check it out.